Hello everyone, welcome back to Sana's Biochemistry, and this is Sana Parveen here. In this video, we will be talking about endocrine system. Okay, this is a system present in human beings. Human beings consist of a system called as endocrine system. Actually, we're just going to focus on what happens with the system in human beings and let us study about that. Before we study mainly about endocrine system, I want you to know about the systems which are helping in control and coordination in a human body. Control coordination of activities in humans is with the help of two different processes, two different organ systems, the first being nervous system. Okay, and so this is the first one, and the second being endocrine system. First of all, let us discuss something about nervous system, and then we are going to have an introduction about endocrine system. Nervous system, in this system, it is involved in transmitting electrical impulses. See, nervous system is involved in control and coordination. Why do we need control and coordination? Because we human beings are a complex organisms. Okay, we're very complex. There are so many cells in our body. All the cells need to work in a team. There should be a team effort. All the cells working together in the body, only then our body will be able to carry out the processes on the day to day basis in a proper way. Okay, so here it transmits electrical impulses. That means from one cell to another cells there is transmission of information, but it is in the form of electrical impulses. Use the neurons to transmit the signal. The cells which are present in the brain are called as neurons. Okay, you might be knowing the structure of neuron. We will not see it in this video. We can see in some other video. Signal transmission is fast. The signal is transmitted very fast because it is in the form of electrical impulses. For example, we are all very much aware of electricity. The moment we switch on the button, what happens? The fan starts to move and the light is there in just a fraction of second. When nervous system is transmitting the information in the form of electrical impulses, the signal transmission is very fast, and the effect is localized. Wherever the information is traveling, the effect is seen only in that area. So this is about nervous system, and this is the first system involved in control and coordination. And the second, as I said, being the endocrine system or the hormonal levels. Okay, what are hormones? Now we had to talk about the nervous trans the neural trans the nervous the signal transmission in the nervous system. Now we are going to talk about how hormones are involved in control and coordination. First of all, we need to know what actually hormones are. Hormones are non-nutrient chemical, acts as intracellular messengers. They're what? They're messengers because they're going to transmit or send messages from one place to another. So hormones are non-nutritional chemical. You're not going to get any nutrition from there, and it is acting as intracellular messengers that present in our body. Okay, and you can see some in the diagram. You can see some organs which are involved in hormone production, the organs which are highlighted in red and yellow. So all these are involved in what? In hormone production. When hormones are produced, actually the system is actually classified into exocrine system and endocrine system. So this is what our topic is: endocrine system. Exocrine system and endocrine system, there's a difference between them. And yeah, before we move on to endocrine system, I want you to know the difference between endocrine and exocrine system. Okay, let us first discuss about exocrine system. In this system, what happens? We have got something that produces the hormone is called as glands. Okay, anything that produces the hormones are called as glands. Now they are going to produce hormones, and the hormones is going to hit on the target. Okay, target organ, target cell, whatever you want to hit the message on. So from the gland, what are produced? Hormones are produced. I'm just writing it as H, and then that hormone is going to go and target and go and hit on the target. The hormone which is produced here is synthesized or secreted in a pipe like structure. Okay, these hormones are going to travel in a pipe like structure, and this pipe like structure is called as duct. Okay, so in exocrine system, the hormones are released in the duct. Okay, but if you see in the endocrine system, the case is not the same. Let us now discuss about endocrine system. In this endocrine system, what is happening? We have got the gland. Okay, the gland who's going to make the hormone. The hormone is produced. That hormone is going to go and hit the target. Okay, the hormone which is produced here, this hormone is now not released into any duct, into any pipe like structure. It is simply synthesized and put into the bloodstream. So these hormones which are endocrine system, the hormones synthesized by endocrine glands are not put into any pipe like structure. They're directly put into the blood, and this blood carries the hormone to the target organ. Okay, so now we move on to our topic, which is actually the endocrine system. When we see in this about the endocrine system, a structure which makes the hormone in the body is called as endocrine glands. What are glands? Glands are the organs which are involved in hormone synthesis. They synthesize hormones. They are also called as ductless glands. Endocrine are called as ductless glands. Why? Because there is no pipe like structure in which the hormone can travel. It is directly put into the bloodstream. So there is no duct, no pipe like structure that directly put into the blood. Okay. Now the next point here is, okay, so they are also called as ductless glands. They are also called as ductless glands because they do not have ducts to secrete their hormones. A group of endocrine glands which produces various hormones is called as endocrine system. A group of endocrine glands. When we have got a group of glands, they are involved into endocrine system. It is also known as hormonal system. Endocrine systems helps in coordinating the activities of our body. So first system involved in control and coordination is the nervous system. The second being the endocrine system. Human endocrine system are a group of ductless glands that regulate body processes by secreting chemical substances like hormones. So hormones are nothing but synthesized by endocrine system, and these hormones are chemical messengers. They're chemical messengers. Hormones act on nearby tissues, or they're carried into the bloodstream to act in specific target organs and distant tissues. Okay, so this is about endocrine system. Let us see what we have next. There are various types of endocrine system in our body, and some of them are an endocrine glands present in our body, and some of them are pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, gonads, testis, and ovaries. So all these are the glands present in our body who are going to act as endocrine glands, and they are going to release out the hormones so that our body is in perfect control and coordination. This is all about endocrine system. Just a brief introduction. We are going to make specifically videos separately on pituitary gland, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, and gonads. So it is going to be a series of video lectures. I want to keep the video short. That is the reason why we're just ending the video here. In the coming videos, we'll be talking about all the endocrine glands in detail. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified for the upcoming videos. And stay at home, take care of your loved ones, take care of yourself, and yes, fight the corona virus. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.